All right, so let's talk about macro and micro conversions. Now, in its simplest form, a macro conversion is essentially the user's action that they're taking that represents the primary objective of your sales funnel, of your website, whatever that may be, right? So a simple example here is for an e-commerce website. Let's say you have e-commerce, Shopify store, drop shipping store, whatever that may be. The macro conversion is likely going to be them making a purchase. Just like we were looking at the macro version of our sales funnel in the top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel, the ultimate intention is when somebody goes through our sales funnel, right, is to get them to purchase a product or service. And that's what the macro conversion is really about. Now, the micro conversions, this is where we're actually getting people to, move and take an action at each particular stage. So let's say if somebody, submits their information to download the lead magnet, that's a micro conversion. It's the individual steps, right? That critical path towards reaching that ultimate sale of a purchased product or service, right? So it's important to understand the difference here. The macro is, I want, X, Y, and Z to happen. I want this person to become a paying customer. The micro conversions are simply the steps necessary, the individual or whoever it is that they're taking to get to that actual purchase, product or service. So continuing with the e-commerce example here, let's say that you're like running ads on Facebook and you have like particular video that you're, having for your product or service. Let's say it's like a, cat product that you're looking to promote or sell on Facebook, and you have like a video of that cat product or somebody using that cat product. Now, the great thing about Facebook is that you're able to create retargeting audiences of people who have watched a percentage of that video. And those are going to be the micro conversions. If somebody watched 75% of that video, that's a micro conversion because they've taken action and they have shown interest, right, in that particular product. Now, if somebody watches it 100%, I mean, they are taking a micro conversion, but it's a lot more valuable micro conversion, because if somebody is spending their time watching a video for, 100% of the time of its entirety, right, then they're going to be a hot prospect. So any particular step that somebody takes through your sales funnel that doesn't include the overall, ultimate goal of a purchase is going to be a micro conversion. All right, so that's it for this section here, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.